I'm going to be attaching this rail guider to this side of plywood. I've already pre-marked it where my biscuits are going to go so that I don't have to keep cutting them over and over again. I mean marking them over and over again. Set it, clamping it up to the side here. The slots all matched. Alright, I'm going to try out this biscuiting jig to hold the rails on my cabinets centered. The way it works is the biscuit joiner sits here, center of two guides. The rails that you want to put in are already cut to the width. Slide them in. Clamp down the hold down. Angle here. Should just be able to run it. Should be a pretty nice slot. Don't have to keep marking each piece.